So, students, today we are going to start with the topic the writing skills, that is article writing. Okay, article writing. Okay, so what is an article? So you must have seen that in newspapers, various articles are being, you can say, published. Which what is the main purpose of those articles? You read articles in newspapers. They can be informative also. Sometimes they provide information about the present situation. So these days, so you can say the newspapers, they are highlighting very, you can say, grim situation, that is that of pandemic. They are discussing various problems that are being faced by the people. They are also discussing that what are the solutions to these kind of economical problems. They are also discussing about for example, the health issues, right? So we cannot categorize article only to one, you can say, particular subject, but actually an article, it is related to all the subjects. It is wide range. Okay, it is a wide range of information that one person used to deliver to other persons. Now there is similarity in article and speech. The complete content that we are going to present in speech is altogether similar to that of an article. But what is the difference between the speech and article? In speech, you speak like that. For example, you say, good morning, and so, and I got an opportunity to deliver my views, right? You speak in this manner in case of speech writing, but you use conversative language in between. Suppose you say, my dear audience, I would like to point out here, or I want to say this. Okay, so in this manner, you use conversative language. In between, you ask questions to the audience also. It means that speech is only meant to be delivered in front of group of people. When there are number of people in front of you, then you deliver a speech. But during that time, just imagine that in article, which is only meant for publishing, that is to be published in the newspaper, okay, or in journals, where you will present your views, okay, but you don't have audience in front of you. This is the difference. So naturally, when the audience is not in front of you, you will use conversative language. What you will use conversative language. So this is how an article is written, but the other basic content and other layout is altogether similar to that of speech writing. I'm again saying that you are not going to use any conversative language in case of you can say article writing. Okay, because articles, they involve only for writing purposes. Okay, they can be published only so that the other people can share the information. So naturally, when you are writing something, you should have, you can say, detailed information about the topic, about the content. Then you will also have good vocabulary, and you can say have command over language also. So right, so this is an article that we are going to do today. So now switch on to the board, please. So first of all, what is an article? Article is a composition. An article is a composition about a particular subject, about a particular subject to be given in newspapers, to be given in newspapers, okay, magazines, news magazines, okay, or school magazine, or in school magazines. Schools also have their magazines. Students can also share their piece of information. So they can be descriptive when they are describing something. So it can be descriptive or argumentative. Means when you present your arguments against anything. Okay, suppose any bill is being passed or any rule is being passed by the government. So many intelligent people, they write an article. No, this is not so. Okay, it should be in this manner. Okay, so in this manner, what is there? An article is always written. Okay, so as I told you that when you are, you can say, writing a descriptive, then what you see, what you observe around you. Okay, this can be included in descriptive one, but when you are writing an argumentative, then you are giving an explanation, you are giving an you are presenting your arguments about a particular subject, so that the reader can ultimately be able to say or will be able to formulate its opinion. Okay, so this is the reason why articles are written. Okay, so next afterwards, coming up, I will not make you write the long, you can say, things. Okay, just simply switch on to the layout of an article. Layout of an article. You have to write down this in fair notebook so that in exams you will be able to write an article. Okay, write down side by side. Okay, so what is the layout of an article? Okay, layout of an article. So first of all, you will write down title or heading. So you know what kind of title or heading, it is to be underlined. Okay, it should be written in capital letters. Capital letters. Moreover, what kind of heading you will make? Okay, it must be catchy, short, it can be a phrase, it can be an idiom, anything can be there. It can be a phrase, it can be an idiom. Okay, right, it can be a short sentence, right? So it must means whatever the title is, it must be related to the topic of an article what we are going to write. So this you very well know, I know. Okay, so next is the byline. Okay, in byline write down by ABC. ABC means your name here. ABC means your name. For example, by Kritika, by Manasvi, by Rhythm, by Khyati, okay, by Arman, right? Okay, this is the name of the writer. Because in format many times I write down by ABC. Students in exams they write down by ABC. What is the meaning of ABC? ABC here means your name of writer. What it includes? It includes the name of writer. Okay, so after writing this heading as well as the name of the writer, you will switch on to para 1. Now different paragraphs have to be maintained. First of all, we will start. Okay, how we will start? First of all, we will start with the introduction, that is para 1. Okay, introduction. So introduction means, first of all, you will, I told you in paragraph writing, you also know that in paragraph writing, first one or two sentences, they are always called as topic sentences. Means when you read one or two lines of the paragraph, you will come to know, yes, this is going to be written in this. Okay, so here topic sentence it establishes the context and delimits the topic. Delimits the topic, what it means? That it will give you an idea what is going to be written in this article. Okay, right? So in para 2, you can ask a rhetorical question. Okay, for example, you will give some data. Okay, put a rhetorical question. So what is rhetorical question? See here, for example, did you know that? Did you know that? For example, did you know that 40% of population is suffering from malnutrition? Okay, 40% of Indian population is suffering from so and so diseases. Did you know that? So it wants that you are going to highlight the situation. You are going to present or draw the attention of the audience. So in this manner, you will write down here, did you know that? You will put a rhetorical question to the audience. So next afterwards, it doesn't mean that article ends here. Okay, then afterwards, I'm utilizing this space. Okay, Then afterwards, you will start with exposition of the topic. Here, what it is exposition of the topic. Exposition of the topic means you will expose the topic here. Okay, you will explain the topic here completely. Okay, so how? Suppose you will formulate para 3. Next paragraph is formulated by you. What you will write down? Okay, here you will give examples. You can give some statistics. For example, according to survey in 2021 dash much population. Okay, so in this manner, if you have, you can give some data. Okay, most thing is examples. You can also take examples from daily life. That will be much helpful. Okay, then make one more para where you will give reasons, causes of the problem if it is a problem. Okay, if it is a problem, you will give the reasons, causes of the problem, what are the various culprits of the problem, why this is happening, what are the various, you can say, reasons behind it, you will mention. Okay, next afterwards, if you are writing about a thing or any, you can say, topic, you can also write down its merits, demerits, advantages or disadvantages, you can also mention. Okay, what are its effects, then what are its consequences. Okay, what are its effects, what are its consequences. Okay, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so now naturally you can give suggestions also. If you are writing about merits, demerits, then naturally you will give your suggestions also, that this is the thing. Suggestions you can also give, make one paragraph for suggestions, right? Clear? Then afterwards, next para we will make para 7. Okay, that will be the concluding. Okay, now conclude your para, concluding. Okay, conclude. Okay, so what you will do here, conclude. Okay, conclude always by emphasizing. Conclude by emphasizing. What you will emphasize? Let me rub it down. So you will conclude by emphasizing. Okay, yes, what measures will be taken. Okay, conclude by emphasizing that what measures can be taken. What measures can be taken? Give your opinions, give your comments, give your opinions, your comments. Okay, comments, opinions, your criticism, if you want to criticize. Okay, your recommendations. What you want to suggest. Okay, so you will write those. Clear? And yes. So in this manner, you will write down your complete article. Okay, you can also here make an appeal to the audience, to the reader, sorry, make an appeal to the readers. Okay, for whatever you want to do. So I hope that this is clear to you, very much clear to you. So in this manner, you have to write down an article. Okay, so you have got to know what an article is. An article is mainly meant for, or it is mainly meant to be written in newspapers, in magazines, in order to present your views. What you always do, that you always present your views, so that so that the people will come to know about that particular thing, about that particular topic. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so if yes, put your thumbs up, show me your thumb rule. Okay, good. Right, so I'm getting, so thank you. So now let us write down an article. Okay, I'm writing a question on the board. So just see the question, please. You have read or write down, you have observed that computer has turned out, computer has turned out to be an important part of life. Okay, write an article on value of computer in future life. In future life. And suppose you are Sachin. Okay, so you are Sachin. So note down this question, please. Yes. So I hope that this is clear to you. Question is clear. Okay, that you have to write down an article on what topic. You have to write an article on the topic that computer is very important for our future life, or simply we will say what are the uses of computer. Okay, right? So let us switch on. Okay, let us switch on to the article writing. So first of all, how you will start? Let me run down the board. Yes. So coming up to article writing, first of all, as already you can say the topic or the heading is already given. What it is? It is value of computer in future life. Okay, so underline it. So by what will be included by the name of the writer, as I have already mentioned in the article, that it is that you are Sachin. Okay, so this is how. So para 1, that is our, you can say para 1, that is our introduction part. So how we will start with the introduction? Okay, so here you will delimits the topic. Okay, delimits what you are going to write, delimits the topic. So now I'm going to speak only, you will just listen. Okay, for example, right, that the present age is an age of scientific advancement and technology. Man has made wonderful inventions. Okay, that man has made wonderful inventions in all the fields, and computer is one such invention which has revolutionized our lives. So all facets or all the fields of life, they are so much affected by this single machine that we cannot imagine our life, or we cannot imagine our lives without computer. Computer, it has turned out to be an indispensable or inevitable or unavoidable part. Computer has turned out to be an indispensable or unavoidable part of our life from the first, or from the daybreak. Okay, that when the first, you can say, when with the first, you can say, ray of the sun, our life is completely dependent upon it. Okay, be it a factory, okay, of small level, or be it a factory of large level, including fulfillment of all our needs. They are all basically dependent upon computer. Okay. So in the first para, what we have done, we have given the introduction that what computer is. Okay. So you can also write down that we cannot imagine our life. Okay. For example, it is helpful in communication, it is helpful in calculation, it is also helpful in transportation, everywhere. Okay, computer can be utilized, right? So next afterwards we are going to expose the topic. Now in exposing the topic, so first para, second para, what I've told you, you can take the examples from daily life, give examples here in detail. Okay, so computer is a very important facet of our life. Okay, it can be used in various, you can say various ways. Okay, so you can mention the various ways. Okay, all the calculations, all the, you can say household work, it can be also be done with the help of computer. All the simple machines that are being used in the kitchen by the housewives or by the housemakers, they are also computerized, they are also digitalized. Okay, so because of that, what is happening, that our life it has been revolutionized. Okay, all the office work, okay, it can be done with the, you can say with the click of a button only. It is just because of that computer. The transportation, all the transportation is made possible, and all the weather forecasts that they can be, you can say they can be delivered at proper time, or you can say it can be delivered us to a proper time, warning us about the disasters that are going to happen. It is just because of this computer and just because of digitalization. Nowadays, digitalization of the banks, okay, or computerization of all the banks has available. All the transactions are made, all the, you can say all the types of money transfer very easy and full of security. Okay, this also helps in utilizing our time. So we have given various examples, you can give a number of examples in this matter. Okay, so next afterwards, how it can be used, and you can also make another paragraph that how it can be used, how it can be used. But these days, even the teaching profession, which was considered to be, you can say, which was considered to be devoid of this innovation, is again, you can say, is again dependent upon computers. Okay, because of this pandemic, technology has developed double than its pace. Okay, so it is because of this reason that only the classes that are being possible, it is just because of computer only. This has made the teaching more effective as well as, you can say, relevant according to the subject. Okay, and even all the teachers, they are equipping themselves with the recent knowledge of this computer. Okay, you can add on this point. Then certain fears were also there. Earlier it was considered, make one paragraph about the fears of computer. Earlier it was considered, okay, that computer or this computer will bring unemployment, but this fact, it has been, you can say, it has been proved wrong, or we were earlier oppressed by this fear that this computer would prove a bane. Bane means curse. Okay, it will prove a bane, and it will, you can say, it will increase unemployment. But this fact or this notion, it has proved wrong with time, as it has produced more jobs than ever. Okay, moreover, in any kind of interview, the persons or the professionals with computer qualifications, they are always preferred. All right. So next, what kind of future you expect? What kind of future you expect? So in future, so as the human quest for knowledge, quest means they always want more. Quest for knowledge. Okay. Quest for knowledge has increased. The days are not far behind when the age of a human can also be told by just with the drop of blood. Okay, and ultimately, just with a drop of blood, all the problems can be detected within no time. Okay, so the computer, it is evident from the life that we are living. Okay, that there is hardly any field where computer is not required. Okay, so this is the reason that every student and every person must have the knowledge of computer in our daily life. Okay, so very soon we will see it as a domestic servant standing at our doorstep, performing all the household work. Okay, even the housewives, they need not to, you can say, put on so much of physical work. Okay, they can complete their work in this manner. Okay, so next afterwards we will conclude. Now conclude your article. How we will conclude? For example, so ultimately what is there? So computer, it has turned out to be a very important part of our life. We cannot deny its presence in our lives, and we cannot also we cannot also don't imagine our life without computers. So computer is a very important part, and one must have complete knowledge of all the, you can say, programming, as well as you can say the various functions of computer. And one must equip himself. If he is not, he must equip himself with the knowledge of computer, so that the life can be made easier. And we should also you can say, we should also put aside this notion that computer will bring unemployment. Rather, it is a machine, or it is a, you can say, it is not less than a gin which is converting our difficult work into easy. Large number of calculations that can be done within seconds. This is what, this is not less than a miracle, and we have to live our life with this miracle. Okay, right? So clear, students? Just tell me whether it is clear that how you will write down an article.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak louder, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are my viewpoints. I'm not saying that you will include only these viewpoints. You will write on your viewpoints also, right? So in this manner, you will explain about the situation. I know that you people very well know what are the different type of uses of everything. So these kind of topics can be given. Okay. Okay. For example, that can be mobile phones. Okay. So in this manner can be given. For example, sometimes this kind, for example, health is wealth, importance of moral values in a student life. These kind of articles can also be given. One more article I will also discuss with you, right? Okay. So this is all for article, and next we will do the leftover chapter of children at work tomorrow. Okay.